today's presentation, I'm going to demonstrate how you can use the new Clearance and Creepage extension solution that is available in Creo 4 M10 when you are still using Creo 3.0. I'm going to demonstrate how you can do this using a combination of Windchill and the Design Exploration extension. In Creo 3, we have this design assembly. If we take a look at the parameters of the parts in this design assembly, you'll see that it does not have the parameter comparative tracking index. Comparative tracking index is required for the clearance and creepage analysis. I'm going to exit Creo 3 and launch Creo 4. From my workspace, I'm going to open the assembly that I just had open in Creo 3. Before I do any work, I'm going to start a design exploration session. I'm now going to choose Analysis, Clearance and Creepage and set the CTI value for each of the parts. By choosing the Apply CTI values, the Clearance and Creepage extension will automatically add the comparative tracking index parameter to all of the parts listed in the dialog. For example, for the housing, you can see the comparative tracking index set to 600. I'm going to choose Proceed to Analysis. The nets are predefined by the Clearance and Creepage extension, and all I need to do now is define which nets are potential, which are potential free, and which are grounded. Under Options, I can choose a violation tolerance of 2 units. Choose the source net, which is going to be net 2, and set the clearance and creepage distances along with the groove width, and then choose to run the analysis. Here we can see that we have a warning that this path is 8.4 when we have a clearance distance of 8 units, and we can see that we've got a failure with this path which has a violation of 5.5 again when it should be 8. I'm going to activate the part and resolve the issue. I'm changing the dimension for this feature. Choose Continue from Windchill dialog and enter a value of 12. I'm going to add a checkpoint and some details. I'm now going to change the value of the datum from 15 to 17. And again, add another checkpoint. Now that I've completed my changes, I'm going to rerun the analysis. Here we can see we have resolved the issues. I've used Creo 4 M10 and run a clearance and creepage analysis and optimized the part to resolve the violations. I'm now going to save my design exploration inside of Windchill. Check in my TMU file. I can now use the changes I've made in Creo 4 and manually back annotate them to Creo 3. The key part about this demonstration is I've managed to use Clearance and Creepage extension with Creo 4 without affecting any data that has been in Creo 3. My assembly remains untouched. The parameters that were added in the Design Exploration extension have not been added to the Creo 3 part, and the part is fully retrievable. And all I need to do is manually make the changes in Creo 3 to reflect the changes that were made in Creo 4 to solve the analysis violations. This concludes today's demonstration.